Welcome to Little John's Yarn. Today we're going to learn how to do another invisible join. This one is called the surgeon's join. This is great if you're transitioning to another color or if you've run out of yarn and need to add a second skein. So I'm going to be working with these two colors so it's easier for you to see. First we're going to lay the red yarn diagonal, followed by your secondary color, the yellow yarn, making this X. Now we're going to drop this red yarn below the yellow and back underneath. And this is what it looks like so far. Simple, right? Now, cross the yellow over the red. Now pull that yellow underneath the red to form this knot. And that's it. Now we're just going to tighten it together. Pull as tight as you can. And that is it. Now just take your scissors and cut as close to the knot as possible. And this will not come loose. Easy peasy. Alright, thanks for watching this quick tutorial. If you want to learn some more invisible joins, just click the link up above and I'll link it down below, and I'll see you all on the very next tutorial.